got no control. Movies taking control. Buzzing on me like a ding-a-ding doll. Damn, Mr. Alcohol. Damn, Mr. Alcohol. Damn, damn, damn. Damn, Mr. Alcohol. Damn, damn, damn.
Once upon a time I was a little boy, no shit, nah, no shit. You were once a little boy cooking up a fire in the kitchen. What kitchen? A chicken. Mama got mad when she checked it back in the kitchen. All that chicken burned down, now she bitchin'. Yeah, burned down, better look good, better taste good. Bet the sauce is good. Now look at my face so happy. Spilling all my secrets back in the baggie. Beanbag bigger than Becky's booby. Telling you all this irrational moody shit I went through like, boy, just shut it down. Shit, I'm going down, down like down. Stop giving me this drink and down. And I'm just starting to sound like a mad kid. Stuff they can't take it, I'm a mad kid. I'm just starting to sound like a mad kid. I don't even know what the F I'm saying. Out of my ass, I'm mother cringing. Trying to be rational, stop thinking. But I'm delusional, I'm thinking too much, yeah, that's it, man.
I got no control. Movies taking control. Buzzing on me like a ding-a-ding doll. Damn, Mr. Alcohol. I got no control. Movies taking control. Buzzing on me like a ding-a-ding doll. Damn, Mr. Alcohol.
Then it was the time when the clock hit 2 tick-tock. Cock block so faded up in the room. No sock in the blanket, talking shit, my God. In a mother second, look to the window, flying frog in the frog. You see that frog, I'm flying frog. What the fuck is a flying frog? You find a frog that's flying frog. Anyway, getting back to the story, I was walking down the 142nd. The car pulled up. By the way, I'm sorry for that intervention, buddy. He took my phone and a bunch of money in the wallet. When he saw me out of my pocket, try to hit, but he missed. How'd you know that shit? I don't know what the fuck I'm talking, bro. Shit, no lie, I'm faded, bro. Bumblebee just got me, bro. Tryna be sane here, but you know
I got no control. Bumblebee's taking control. Buzzing on me like a ding-a-ding doll. Damn, Mr. Alcohol. I got no control. Bumblebee's taking control. Buzzing on me like a ding-a-ding doll. Damn, Mr. Alcohol.
it took a while for the bus to get in me, though. Bumblebee try to hit, but it can't get no reaction from me until I start to hit, though. And now I'm faded from this bumblebee, though. It took a while for the bus to get in me, though. Bumblebee try to hit, but it can't get no reaction from me until I start to hit, though. And now I'm faded from this bumblebee, though.
I got no control. Bumblebee's taking control. Buzzing on me like a ding-a-ding doll. Damn, Mr. Alcohol. I got no control. Bumblebee's taking control. Buzzing on me like a ding-a-ding doll. Damn, Mr. Alcohol.
Damn, Mr. Alcohol. Damn, Mr. Alcohol.
I got no control. Bumblebee's taking control. Buzzing on me like a ding-a-ding doll. Damn, Mr. Alcohol.
Hey, yo, hear me out, man. I think people got some real problems these days, man. They think they're so fucking rich as fuck, but you know, they ain't got nothing. Me, if I die, I would be breathing Versace store and probably just a little bit of cashmere, bitch. When I die, I'll be covered in cashmere. When I die, I'll be covered in cash. When I die, I'll be covered in cashmere. When I die, I'll be covered in cash. Okay? If you a rich bitch, clap your hands. If you a rich bitch, clap your hands. If you a bad bitch, clap your hands. If you a bad bitch, clap your hands. Okay, I cut a check even when I'm laying low. If there's a beef, I don't want it, I'm still eating though. You can be proud of yourself, but I still want some more. I spend everything in cash. What you mean I'm broke? I got a lot of fans, but haters still be talking shit. Ain't even a man, so why they sucking on my dick? Every time this guy's talking, I'm like, can you please be quick? Cause I don't give a fuck, I'ma pull up with that stick. I'm not a fan of excess, no, but if it go on my cash, I put my burst of mode on, I'm in a sweat with the next. Big names all up on my phone, which of your idolists next? These so-called rappers wear flags, I ain't even breaking a sweat. You got fans, you got style, but you're still a basic bitch. Post a selfie with some lame leaves, bitch, I can't relate. Every time I drop some shit, they be like slay or lay. Turn off on a Monday, cause I get paid like every day. Ay. When I die, I'll be covered in cashmere. When I die, I'll be covered in cash. When I die, I'll be covered in cashmere. When I die, I'll be covered in cash. Okay? If you a rich bitch, clap your hands. If you a rich bitch, clap your hands. If you a bad bitch, clap your hands. If you a bad bitch, clap your hands. I go to bed, thinking about what's next. Say what you want, I don't even care. I ain't got no booking yet, but I still get the bag. admit it, but I swear this bitch is going bad. You say that you're the man, but I swear you talk just like a drag. I'm always dead.